Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. Picking out the leaves on the crooked Christmas trees.
Okay, the time has come on this Christmas Eve to make a treat that some love, some hate. Some have never tried it.
Back in the day, in the old days, I remember little bitty fruitcakes.
We're making fruitcake.
Now we got big fruitcakes and they walking around everywhere.
He has begged for fruitcake.
I really remember when I was little, sure enough.
Where'd that butter
They
go?
would, do you remember they had these little
I
bitty
remember.
ones?
I don't
It was
know if I
about this
remember.
big around, everybody.
Oh,
This-
and they were in the shape of the bunt pan with the hole
I
in the
think
middle?
so, yeah.
Then they started making them in like these long rectangle things like this big, and you cut
I don't
them
even
in
know
little
what all
square
this
pieces.
is right here. I mean,
We're taking the easy route and we're using this extra fancy fruitcake mix right here. We got it from Ingles. It has
so there you go, everybody.
orange peel, lemon peel,
Let's see if it smells good.
cherries, pineapple.
I've told y'all before, if it smells good, it tastes good. Just because it don't smell good don't mean it don't taste good, everybody. Now, I don't want y'all to get confused. We need sprinkles.
No, we don't need sprinkles. They just fell out of the cabinet when I was getting this. This is what's left of the Christmas chocolate cake that Sissy
Trust me,
made.
Sissy did a good job of that.
Would you like to use the gingerbread bow?
That'd be fun. Softened butter, go it in, everybody.
Now we'll put this recipe down below for y'all.
We'll put this recipe down below. It's not going to be complicated. We're going to keep it
Oh, yeah,
simple,
it's-
but we're going to keep it real.
It's King Arthur Flowers Easy Fruitcake. 3/4 of a cup of sugar.
Teaspoon of cinnamon.
Half a teaspoon ground ginger.
Ginger going in.
Now we need 2 teaspoons baking powder. No,
Want to just use?
yeah, that one.
Vanilla. She said I could go ahead and put this egg in, so I shall. Which one laid that one?
Ingles.
Ingles.
Half of this can, we need about 8 ounces of crushed pineapple. Now you need a whole container. Is this the one you open? I think we're only gonna need one of these. That's what we got so far. Half a cup of pecans diced. Now we can just kind of break these up. What do you think?
Oh yeah, that's what that means. Break them up. When it says dice, that means you just crumble them.
Man, he's got his milk, he's got his bath, he's got his jammies. We're gonna brush his teeth and then what?
Brush our teeth and go nap.
Let's share his peace and joy like that first noisy Christmas
Trying to
night.
get the presents up there.
Yeah, he's trying to get those presents, isn't he? Moo and Merry Christmas.
The end.
Allow me to introduce everyone to Jacob and Tyler's favorite childhood Christmas show, the toy that saved Christmas. And you know what tomorrow is.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way, bringing lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. And although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. And although it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, everybody. It is Christmas morning. I'm out here making some pancakes and bacon. Yes, it's pretty cold, but I knew I could get them done quick out here on the Blackstone. And I already have some stuff cooking on the inside.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born
Knock,
the
knock.
King of
Steamy pancakes coming through.
Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Sing choirs of angels, sing in
It's a box. How you like that box, boy?
There's something in the box.
But he was so excited.
Mama, you made that thing.
Tyler wrapped it. Tyler wrapped it.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, Lord have mercy. What you got? Woo!
him, Christ the Lord.
Okay, y'all, it's a little while later now. The ham, I think, will be done in just about 30 or 40 more minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and get the dressing in the oven. So I made this cornbread last night. When I get this in the oven, we'll also go ahead and put the macaroni and cheese in. We put it together last night too. And then, what else do we need to do? I'm gonna go ahead and cook the potatoes in the Instant Pot. Then when they get done, I'm gonna put in some pinto beans. All right, I'm gonna chop up the onion. We're watching Prancer. Prancer, by the way, is gone, y'all. He left last night, didn't he? All right, salt, pepper, and sage. Lots of sage. Make me a cup of coffee. Is this whipped cream? Yeah, I'd like a little whipped cream on there. It's like a little cappuccino. Thank you. Manly and Jonah are having a race over here with their remote control dinosaur cars. Okay, y'all, here's the fruitcake. I forgot to show it to y'all last night. It's really pretty. Now, this isn't your traditional fruitcake. It's an easy one, and it's really pretty. Titus is trying to like it. He ate a little piece of it last night, and he was like, but it is pretty.
Don't worry, everybody. I'm back, and I'm getting out the ham.
Just in time.
The angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior,